Hi, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to compare two TWS headsets. That is, I did do an unboxing before some time of a TWS headset, that's the Cool, and I had also done very long time ago and had unboxing of Boult audio. We are going to compare these two, and we are going to see the pros and cons for this. And the audio, I'm not going to compare because I do know which audio is better because one is in 1200 range, 1400 or even 2000 range when I had purchased it initially. The other one is within 700 range. So we are not going to compare the audio, but we are just going to compare other features of the TWS. So let's go ahead and start with that. So as you can see these are two different TWSs. One is with the Boult audio and one is with Cool. So you see over here there are some charging indicators over here with a light on it. That's how it shows how it charges. So let me try to show you a little bit closer if I can, because I don't have a power bank here, but when you attach a power bank over here to the Type-C port, these charging indicators light up. And this is a Type-C one, so it charges really fast. Within about half an hour to 45 minutes, this is completely charged. And you can use about 4 to 5 times of the total battery over here to charge this thing. And as soon as you open this Boult audio box, there are two headsets over here. I mean, two TWSs. They are kind of big, but they are sport and trendy, which you can wear, and they have very good effect. And as you can see, the light gets on over here. These are the indicator lights which I had mentioned to you, and they'll be ready to pair. They are in stereo. The music is very good in this. I've been using it from past 1.5 years, and it is good. And the box also is very good. It's a fiber body, and the box is good. And now we are going to Cool, which is the latest purchase I did. I did an unboxing of this. So this one also is a trendy looking one, as you can see. And these are the light indicators over here. For example, let me put this. As you can see, the light indicators are on 25, 50, 75, 100. And if we take this both out and put it back in, they also start pairing immediately. And this one you can wear, the body is fully plastic. It has a micro USB. It has a charge indicator which you can see from outside the box also, like for 25, 50, 75 and 100. It's just a paper over there, and inside there the light passes through. That's how it's seen. And you can wear this within the helmet, as I had shown you in my unboxing video, it's for which I had purchased. And this was 659, and it's a micro USB. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to just charge this up, the total box. And this can also be charged about 2 to 3 times. And the music is okay, as I told you. It's kind of okay only, not that great, but okay. But the music in this is very good because it has a good bass. But the calling in this is not that great nowadays. It was good when I had initially purchased it, but maybe it's gone old. But the box is very good till now. And these are the charge indicators, and it gets charged in Type-C, and this gets charged in micro USB. So you do know the difference between the charge speed also of them. So this fully charged now. It has gone to blue color inside this. If I open this, you'll be able to see it's in blue color. So it's fully charged now, and this one is not yet charged. This one is okay. This also is charged. It's in blue color. So both are fully charged, and both are in 100% because I had previously charged them. This one takes about 45 minutes, as I told you. This takes longer, and it's complete plastic body, as you can see. This one is a fiber body. Nothing would happen even if it falls down. But for local use, this one is a very good headset, as I had compared that day. I had shown you in the unboxing. I would link, you can go to one of my previous videos and you can see this over there, where I have done an unboxing of the tiniest earbuds over here. These are very tiny and it can fit within the helmet. I have also shown you the example of that and that. So the music quality in this is better, as I had shown in the unboxing time itself. But in this, it's not that bad also. You can go ahead for normal use. This is also good. Both are IPX5. That is, both are waterproof headsets. And these are the only features which are important you must know about a headset. Here in this mono stereo music is not good, but stereo music is good, as I had compared in that unboxing. And this both mono as well as stereo, both the musics are good. So I had bought this only because I already have a good head earphones. I just bought this for just for wearing within the helmet, as I had shown in the unboxing video. But it's kind of good for the price, 659. This one when I purchased it was 1,850 to 2,000 rupees, but now this is coming for 1,200 also, and this one is just for 659. So you can't compare it more with micro USB and Type C, but both in their price range are good. Both of them are very good in their own price ranges. So until we meet next time, as you saw the comparison between these both, if you did like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day ahead.